JAG Rescue Kit is a ready-to-use reversible rescue kit. It contains an anchor sling, a haul kit, a gated ring, a descender, a 30, 60, or 120 meter rope, and a carry bag. This kit is designed to easily pick off and then lower the victim. The haul system's 4-to-1 mechanical advantage reduces the effort needed to hold the victim's weight. Once released, the descender's ergonomic handle and the pre-installed directional anchor allow the user to easily control rope speed when lowering. The kit is stored in a convenient bag that makes it easy to carry. The entirely pre-rigged JAG Rescue Kit is quick and simple to deploy. The flexible cover eliminates any possible entanglement when installing the system.